A make one is an increase that creates a new stitch using the bar between two existing stitches. You make this new stitch by lifting the bar between the two stitches onto the left needle and then knitting into it. There are two ways to do this, a make one right and a make one left. To make one right, you insert the left needle tip under the bar from back to front. And then you knit that stitch, that loop on the needle. And there I've got my make one right. Knit one stitch. And to make one left, insert the left needle tip under the bar from front to back. And then you're gonna knit that loop through the back loop. And there I've got my make one left. Here I've worked a make one right, one knit stitch, and then a make one left. But different combinations of make one left, make one right, and centerline stitches have different effects. For more information on increase lines, see the tutorial link in the video notes.